Alright guys, welcome back. Quick video. So these are the new level 6s that I put on my Slingshot a couple weeks ago. First chance of really getting to make a video because of all the rain. It's just been crazy out here, really. But just want to show these off real quick, show you how bright they are. These are the brightest LEDs you're going to be able to get on the market. Alright. The controllers are wireless. They're completely Bluetooth to your phone app. Be careful of other persons who are selling or trying to sell to you, right? There's a lot of guys that have hit me up saying, you know, so-and-so's got some stuff close to what I've got going on, and saying they can beat my prices. One, you're not going to beat my price, I promise you. But the trick to that is, it can't be your homeboy's cousin who's trying to cut you a deal. All right, it's going to be on a website. It's going to be prices posted openly. It's not going to be some fly-by-night Joe, right? I've been doing this for 10 plus years. I'm not new to this. I've been in the game for a long time. All right, there's a reason why I'm still here, right? These other guys cutting you prices off the top of their head, who, you know, can't even calculate amperage on their LEDs. They don't know how many amps their LEDs pull per feet per roll. They don't know or won't tell you if their kit's expandable, because they don't want you to buy stuff from someone else or add to it except going through them. My kit's totally expandable. All right, you don't have to buy these from me. You got to buy the kit if you want the kit, but if you want to add a body kit to it later on, that's no problem. Hell, I'll even help you install it, not physically, but you know, technical support wise, because I know my system, right? If they don't know if they're 5 volts or 12 volts, they don't know if they're, you know, how many amps they got per LED, how many amps they got per circuit. If they don't know what gauge wire they're supposed to be using, man, you guys got to be asking the right questions and get the right answers. And if they can't answer questions like that, technical questions, or they're vague with their answers, they won't tell you how their kit is better physically versus another one. And you got to watch out for stuff like that, right? They don't really know what the hell they're building. They're just trying to copy somebody out there, trying to ride on somebody's coattails. And when you get stuck and need some actual help, they're not going to be there to help you. They're not going to answer the phone. They're not going to respond to your emails. You're just going to be out there on a limb. Again, there's a reason why I've been doing this for years and years and years. So, if you guys want top-of-the-line stuff at a really good price, hit me up, let me know. I will beat other prices out there. If you find something lower than mine, it's the exact same kit, and their stuff is posted out there online for everybody to see. All right? So, keep that in mind if you find something out there. Apples for apples. We're not doing apples for oranges, you know. But check the video description below to link to my website where you can find all my prices and all the options. We got some more kits coming out. This is a 6-row. I've got some stuff coming out. We'll be able to do up to a 12-row. If you want it, I've got it, right? We've got everything mocked up and measured out that we're going to start doing complete body kits, all right? It'll be different zones, you know, the hood, the bumper, the undercarriage, the fin, the whole rear end, the interior, different zones that you can control independently if you want, or everything comes on at one time, however you want it. So stay tuned, keep an eye out, check back on the website. Of course, if you want to know any information before then, just email me. Let me know what you got and what you're looking for. I can build whatever you're looking for. I mean, to some degree, you don't even really need a body kit. I mean, this thing's lighting up on the ground as it is. But, got any questions, hit me up. Any technical questions, let me know. I can answer them because I build these. I know the components that I use. So, that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.